Looks like we got some more junkyard treasures here today. And let's see, we got a couple ratchets, some pliers, some light switches, files, wrenches. This one looks like a bunch of junk. Huh? Oh, wow. That's a pocket knife. It's a really nice handle. Huh. Does anybody recognize a maker of this? That's really cool. Huh. That's neat. Let's see what else. There's some wedges and a half right there. And looks like somebody dropped off a bunch of dumbbells. But yeah, I never know what we're going to find. If you know what this is, let me know.